Well, indeed, we're looking forward to that update in the next hour. And in case you missed it, Arsenal, of course, first leg of the Carabao Cup, and playing with 10 men for about 70 minutes, managed to hold Liverpool and keep them out from scoring at Anfield. But let's get into those news headlines now. The Health Department will give an update on government's efforts in the fight against COVID-19, and that will happen later this morning. The virtual media briefing by the Health Minister and his deputy is expected to include the latest developments in the national vaccination program. Meanwhile, the country has recorded another 5,920 COVID-19 cases. 159 new COVID-19 deaths were also reported in the latest 24-hour cycle, and that takes the total number of fatalities to 92,989. Active cases have declined by over 30,000 to 106,883. The Democratic Alliance has welcomed the High Court ruling that the AARTO Act and its amendment are unconstitutional and invalid. And one of the key features of the controversial Traffic Act is the points demerit system, which was expected to come into effect from the 1st of July. The legislation was overturned after being challenged by civil society group AARTO. And in international news, Britain's Prince Andrew has renounced his military affiliations and royal patronages. The move comes after his lawyers failed to persuade a U.S. judge to dismiss a civil lawsuit against him that accuses him of sexual abuse. Buckingham Palace said in a statement that the Duke of York's military affiliations and his royal patronages had been returned to the Queen with her approval and agreement. Those are your 6:30 News headlines. Full bulletin coming up at 7. We're going to take a quick break now here on Morning Live. When we come back, we'll have your regular feature.